Ever wondered what separates a good programmer from a great one? It's not the number of languages they know, it's how they think. And that's exactly where DSA comes in. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Figma Flix Hub. Today we're breaking down one of the most important foundations in computer science, data structures and algorithms, or simply, DSA. So what is DSA? Data structures are smart ways of organizing information like arrays, stacks, queues, trees, and graphs. Algorithms are the step-by-step logical methods that tell a computer how to solve a problem. Together, they power almost everything around you, searching on Google, navigating maps, even the recommendations you see online. DSA isn't just for coding interviews. It trains your brain to solve problems efficiently, helps you write faster and more optimized code, and gives you the foundation to understand how real-world systems are built. So in this video, we'll explore how mastering DSA can transform the way you think and help you grow as a developer. Let's get started. Before we start our journey into data structures and algorithms, let's first understand why we even study this subject. Why is DSA considered such an important part of programming? So DSA stands for Data Structures and Algorithms. Data structures refer to the different methods we use to organize and store data in main memory or RAM. Algorithms are the step-by-step procedures we design to solve a particular problem. But the real question is, why do we learn how to organize data? And why do we study these step-by-step solutions? The first reason is that DSA makes you a more efficient software developer. When you're solving any programming problem, you often need to store data and then process it. There are multiple ways to store that data. And data structures teach us how to store data in memory efficiently, so we can perform operations faster. That's what data structures are about. Algorithms guide us with the right sequence of steps to solve problems in the best possible way. Whenever you face a programming or business problem, there are always many possible approaches. For example, sorting data can be done using several different algorithms. Each requires a different amount of time and a different number of CPU cycles. Writing efficient code helps reduce CPU usage and makes your software perform better. Imagine you're building an application where a user enters data on a web page and expects a quick response. If your code is inefficient, it will take more time to process the input and return results. Even if you add more hardware, you may still face performance issues. And if your algorithm takes exponential time, even powerful hardware won't save you when the input size grows slightly. In DSA, you learn to write optimized code that runs faster, saves hardware cost, and ultimately gives a better experience to the user. Saving CPU cycles also means you can add more features or reduce the company's infrastructure cost. The next big advantage: DSA helps you get a tech job. Most companies that came to campus focused heavily on problem solving and asked questions based on DSA. From 2007 until today, this trend has stayed the same. DSA-based questions help HR teams filter candidates efficiently. Today, companies conduct online coding challenges where thousands of people apply, but only a few hundred, or even just a few, clear the first round. This saves the company time and effort, because only those who write correct, efficient code within the time limit go ahead. Even experienced developers go through DSA-based online rounds today, Many companies also ask DSA questions in face-to-face interviews because it reveals your logical thinking and coding ability better than any other topic. The third benefit: DSA helps you succeed in competitive programming. Just like in any sport, you want to get to the top of the leaderboard. Competitive coding works the same way. You compete with many others, and the one who solves problems quickest with efficient code gets the highest rank. To achieve that, you need solid knowledge of data structures and algorithms. It's a basic requirement if you want to become a world-class competitive programmer. And once you start solving tougher problems, your interview performance improves too. You clear online rounds more easily, and you might even climb the global leaderboards. These are the major advantages of learning data structures and algorithms. In the software industry, DSA has always been at the core. Whether it's hiring, building reliable systems, or becoming a better developer. Just like understanding mathematics is essential for science, understanding DSA is essential for computer science. If you want to build anything meaningful in tech, you must know data structures and algorithms well. They are the foundation of becoming a strong software developer and a skilled computer scientist. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your time and support. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really motivates me to keep creating more content for you. And with that, I'll see you in the next video, where we'll start learning analysis of algorithms.
I feel like I'm losing my
Until then,
mind.
keep learning, keep growing, and have a
Everybody
great
in the
day.
world blind.